And in view of the rising COVID-19 cases in the national capital, the Resident Welfare Association have also declared the war against the virus. The RWAs in many parts of the city have come up with their own quarantine facilities inside their societies.
Delhi is bracing for a surge in coronavirus cases, with the state government asking patients with mild symptoms to isolate themselves at home. Many residents' welfare associations are stepping forward to help. The Narmada RWA in Greater Kailash, for instance, has converted a community centre into a quarantine facility.
So when I enter in this quarantine room, which was earlier a community center, hardly was used, but now it's almost a makeshift 4-bed hospitals. And look at the way it has been decorated. So what all you see in the quarantine center, 2 air conditioners, and that's also the arrangement by the RWA. You see the air conditioners make, and now again for the isolation and separation, the curtains, which will be isolating 2 beds from each other. So here you have a bed with pillow cover, sheet, blanket, and everything that one would require in the isolation. Along with that, there you see the reading lamp, that's a charger point, tissue paper, glass, bottle, disposal dustbin, and also the chair. So that's how you see this makeshift quarantine center. In case of emergency, there I see even the oxygen cylinder. Remember the kind of treatment that may require, and even in the case of emergency, if there is no hospitalization immediately provided, those serious patients, particularly in these residential colony, can also be accommodated at least for 24 hours.
The facility has 4 beds and looks nothing less than a hospital.
So we thought let's have a makeshift arrangement where till the time a person gets a bed, we are ready for it. No. We cannot, it is very important that in any emergency situation, there should be a basic amenities available to our resident, where we can give them oxygen, we can give them doctor coming in, nurse taking care of it.
A similar facility is set up in Antariksh apartment of Rohini's Sector 14. The facility has oxygen supply along with medicines.
प्राइमरी बेस पे कोई भी पेशेंट अगर कोई दिक्कत आती है तो सब तरह की फैसिलिटी है. अगर उसको हॉस्पिटल में जगह नहीं मिलती तो यहाँ पे हमने सारा सिस्टम इस टाइप का कर दिया है. उसको ज़्यादा परेशानी नहीं हो तब तक हम यहाँ उसको रख सकते हैं, उसका पूरा इलाज कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास डॉक्टर भी हैं, हमारे पास नर्स भी हैं.
The RWA of Ganga apartment in Vasant Kunj has set up a 13-bed isolation ward. The RWA says, if needed, the community centre will also be converted into a quarantine facility.
आपके घर में किसी भी तरीके की रहने की दिक्कत है, बुजुर्ग हैं या बच्चा है, किसी को भी ऐसी दिक्कत हो तो हम उनके लिए ये जगह प्रोवाइड करेंगे. और ये मैं चाहूँगा कि बनाया बेशक गंगा ने है, लेकिन ये सुविधा हमारी पूरी एक्सटेंड होगी. चाहे गंगा, यमुना, नर्मदा, सरस्वती, जो भी इसमें जो भी मुसीबत में होगा, हम उसकी मुसीबत के लिए सामने खड़े रहेंगे.
Delhi is the second worst affected state after Maharashtra, with the state government projecting 5.5 lakh cases by July end. Each of these beds will count. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.